Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Farah Nur Zahia binti Sabri from JBA 1144H. So today I'm going to present to you guys about my business proposal presentation for the subject of Fundamental of Entrepreneurship for the code ENT 300. Before I explain in details about my business proposal presentation, let me introduce myself to you guys. My full name is Farah Nur Zahia binti Sabri. This year I am 20 years old and I am from Diploma in Investment Analysis. I am multilingual. I could speak in Malay, English and also Chinese. I have problem solving skills and leadership. Let's watch my business proposal presentation.
Okay, now I will introduce you guys about my team management for Fresh Mizu Enterprise. Me myself as a general manager, Nur Nadia binti Fazli as administrative staff, Adira binti Amsa as financial staff, and Intan Nur Fazliha as my marketing staff. And then, after explaining about my team, I will explain about my business, which is Fresh Mizu Enterprise. Actually, Fresh Mizu is inspired by the ingredient of our product. Our product are based on fresh fruit and ice. Actually, Mizu is a translation from Japanese language which means ice. So, Fresh Mizu is fresh ice. I will introduce to you guys about our vision, mission and also objective of Fresh Mizu Enterprise. So, our vision is to build a community of healthy. This was because we are serving the best drink using the best ingredient only at the best price. Next, our mission. Our mission is to inspire and nurture a healthy lifestyle. This was because we are selling not only product, but we are also selling a healthy lifestyle. So, for business objective. For the first objective is to maintain productivity. But how we are going to maintain our productivity? First, we need to have at least once a month employee training. Next, we need to maintain our equipment every month. And the last one for maintaining our productivity is to have a new equipment before we opening our business. For the next objective is to have a sustainable growth in our business. So before opening our business, we already planning in details how we are going to sustain our growth in the business. This was the packaging for our product. Our product are different from other business product. This was because, first, we are affordable. Our range price are only from 6 ringgit to 12 ringgit. Next, we are eco-friendly. We are using paper cup and paper straw instead of using plastic cup and plastic straw. Next, we are using fresh fruit as our main ingredients and we will restock our main ingredients every 2 days. Our business is located at Lot 12, Pusat Komersial Taipan, Jalan Kuhara, Tawau, Sabah. Why we are choosing Tawau? Because Tawau is just a perfect place to start. First, we have a sufficient of supplier. We could get the ice supplier and we could get the main ingredient supplier, which is the fresh fruit direct from Kundasang, Sabah. Next, in Tawau, it have a high demand and the weather is just perfect because accumulately Tawau have 30 degrees Celsius. And it was a strategic place because Pusat Komersial Taipan is surrounded by residential area. Next, I will explain to you about the customer's problem and how our product will help to solve the problem. First, in Tawau, there are no healthy option for any sweet drinks because most of the product are using milkshake powder instead of using the fresh fruit. And there are no product using eco-friendly product because most of the product are using plastic as the packaging. So, our business will using fresh fruit and not milkshake powder, and we are also using paper cup instead of plastic cup. Okay, now I will explain about our business target market and the market size for this type of business. So first, our target market is from the age of 10 to 49 years old, and we are targeting 60% from this target market are interested in this kind of business. So the answer is 162471. So the total market price, we have 3 competitors and the average price is 10 ringgit. So the total market price is 541,570 ringgit Malaysia. For competitors and the market share, we have 3 competitors, which is T-Life, Chai Time, and also Grandpapa. For the market share, T-Life conquer of 40%, Chai Time conquer of 25%, and Grandpapa conquer 35%. So based on the weaknesses of the other competitors, that become our competitive advantage is first, for Fresh Mizu shop, we have a wider place than Grandpapa shop. For T-Life, we offer a healthy option by using fresh fruit instead of using milkshake powder. And for Chai Time, our shop is located at a strategic place in Tawau Town. Next, for marketing strategy. Marketing strategy for promotion, first we are using social media. In social media such as Facebook and Instagram, so our Facebook is Fresh Mizu and our Instagram is @FreshMizu. In this social media, we are offering information such as the ingredients or the menu and the price range to the customer. Next, for promotion, we are also using banner and poster. So we will hang this banner and poster all around Tawau Town so that our customer will see and know about our business. Next, for marketing strategy is we are using a strategic place to locate our Fresh Mizu shop. So the business will be a good hangout place for students after school, adults to grab a quick drink during break, and also families to enjoy their time together at weekend. Next, for our marketing strategy is by using an affordable price, because there are many factors considered to decide on price of each product, other than basic factors such as cost of production and price quote. Fresh Mizu also considered the price that the targeted group of customer willing to pay. As the business targeted group customer includes students, Fresh Mizu considered their capability to buy the drinks when discussing on the price. For budget, it will including administration budget, marketing budget, and also financing budget. Next, for administration budget, we have a total of 14,169 ringgit Malaysia and 15 cent, that including the fixed asset, working capital, other expenditures, and also the pre-operations. For operational costs, we have a total of 13,194 ringgit Malaysia. So for fixed asset, we have a refrigerator, freezer, cashew machine, stove, big pot, and also ice blender that help in production of our business. Next, for the raw materials, it's including the fresh fruit and also the other ingredients that used to make our product. And we are also taking insurance that total of 150 ringgit. Next, for the calculation of amount of total sales, we are targeting for a month, we are getting a 30,000 ringgit because we will produce 100 units per day. Next, for cost per unit, for our total material cost is 7,024 ringgit and our packaging cost is 1,590 ringgit. So this means that our profit is 8 ringgit and 55 cents. For the projected profit and also revenue, we are targeting that in a year, in the next year, which is 2021, we will increase our sales for about 5%, and the next year we will increase our sales for about 7%.
I think that's all from me. I hope that you guys will understand about Fresh Mizu Enterprise vision, mission, and also objective that help Fresh Mizu Enterprise continue to sustain in the future. Thank you!